Good morning, ma'am and sir. Looking po ba kayo ng premium home in Cavite na pasok sa budget with high future value? Welcome to Anyana Tansa. This is not your typical pre-selling. Around 70% developed na po ang community. May mga nakatayo ng houses, ongoing construction at may church na rin po na pinapagawa. So ramdam na po natin agad na buhay yung area. Accessible din po siya. Cemented na ang roads and dinadaanan na ng mga private vehicles going from Tansa, Trece all the way to Manila. Plus, may lifestyle convenience na rin with establishment like Shuttle's Best Coffee within the area. Now, if you are looking for a functional family home, this is the Tokyo model. It is a 3-bedroom house with a bedroom on the ground floor. Perfect for parents, guests, or even a home office. The total investment is around 8,035,000 with down payment is stretched up to 23 months, ma'am and sir, making it more manageable. If you're planning to invest or move into a growing premium community, this is definitely worth considering. Message me po for sample computation and site viewing. This is Jennifer V. Innocentes, your sales specialist.